One viral video later, and boom, my uncle's all in. The mission? Revive a 1,000,000-mile luxury car. Goal? Just make it last 3 generations. No pressure. Right now, it's basically fancy scrap metal. But the fans said, whatever it takes. So here we go, bringing this beast back to life. We stripped the whole thing down, clean slate, no secrets. But man, it's hot, like fry an egg on the hood hot. So we gave it a little breeze, mechanic style. And suddenly we had to ask, what happened to this poor car? Interior's all cleaned up, looking fresh. Now comes the real stuff. Step 1, drain the oil, classic move. Step 2, water check, just to see if the engine's been crying. Take a guess how it looks inside. Yep, oil leak, bad, like real bad. Time to break it all down. No mercy. There's a certain ritual to tearing an engine apart. Step 1, safely remove the $7,000 Supercharger. Yeah, let's not mess that part up. And here it is, Audi's most powerful engine. Warning, you might need a tissue after this. Parts laid out like museum pieces. Next up, precision cleaning in the CNC spa. One dip in the magic juice, and boom, even the grime starts fighting back. Time to measure the cylinders. Because eyeballing it, yeah, that's how engines cry. Precision work has just begun. Out comes the dial gauge. Time to measure like we mean it. Polishing the steel arms, back to factory shine. Then it's bath time, ultrasonic style, and finally, the engine is ready to plate up. All the parts ready and waiting. Time to reassemble. One man, one bolt, all factory spec. Watch closely. You might just build one at home too. We brought out the big guns, an aviation-grade twin-axis torque machine. Every bolt tightened back to factory spec. And just like that, it almost feels like you never left. Engine fully assembled. Now comes the fun part, prepping the chassis for greatness. We do it right, with heart, stress relief, longer chassis life. Oh, and those old moldy seats? This time the fans get the full upgrade. For the interior, we're going full Panda. Black and white, classy and clean. Went with leather so fine, even real leather would get jealous. The final look? You'll love it. Trust. And yes, even the plastic trim got a makeover. Scratch-proof and built to last. No more babying the interior. This is the final look. Audi elegance in full Panda mode. We swapped in carbon fiber trim too. With this setup, no one's mistaking it for a chauffeur's ride anymore. And outside, upgraded to the D4 PA spec. Sleek, sharp, serious. Every mid-check, personally inspected by the boss himself. This A8 Generation 4 came stock with genuine Nappa leather seats. Super durable, just a little on the stiff side. Like, sit down and feel it in your soul stiff. So for this A8, we went with upgraded Nappa, the soft kind. It's luxury you can actually feel. Only the Gen 4 A8 gets this kind of treatment. Premium materials, top-tier build, safe, comfy, whether it's for business or just daily flexing. This car? Unstoppable. After all, it's a million-class Audi flagship. And now, it's officially reborn. Let the real story begin.